एक सेकंड, मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think this is probably my first lecture with you people. I've never taken a class before, right? In this batch.
Yes, sir. First lecture.
And I'm supposed to start straight lines.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you will
What?
send the PDF.
I will send the PDF. Why do you ask?
Sir, we can learn now and then write the PDF.
You can?
Sir, we can concentrate now and after the class we will write the note.
Okay. So like
So no, sir.
concentration is not an
write it in
option.
the class
You don't have
itself,
to like concentrating on the notes is on the thing that is being taught is not an option. It's not like you have a choice here. But I am against copying it afterwards, because first of all, half of you will not do it. Secondly, half of you will not remember what is being taught. When you write, you're revising it for the first time. Offline mein ye option nahi hota. That's why I prefer you write it down. Okay. Now, tell me, what all topics have been covered by previous?
Sir,
Sir, we have to make separate notebook for straight lines.
That's
till
up to you.
binomial is complete.
Binomial is complete. Sequence series is complete.
Yes, sir. In
Yes, sir.
equation, trigo one.
No,
and
sir.
equation.
Trigo 1 and Trigo 2 and quadratic and
Quadratic
inequation.
equation,
Sir, we have to make
inequation.
separate notebook for straight lines.
I'm talking about recent topics.
Sir, BT and sequence and series.
PNC is done.
We will
No,
start.
Sir,
sir.
sir will start
No,
that.
sir.
No, sir.
Combination and combination is not yet done.
No, sir.
Fine.
Separate notebook.
That's up to you. It would be better if you make, yeah, okay. So do one thing, make a group, add my number. If you have a group, you can add my number to the group.
So you're making the group or should someone make the group?
Do you have a maths group or I mean, see,
Yes, sir,
it's a
for
headache.
previous maths group we have.
Yeah, so I'll just send the notes there, right? You can just add my number rather than adding everybody and making another group.
Sir, you can make
But it will be confusing.
Yes, sir. You can make a
Yes, sir. It will be confusing.
So you also make one. That will make no difference.
I don't have anybody's number, so you'll have to make me.
सर आप लिंक बना दो और फिर सेंड कर दो ना हम लोग
Sir, you make a link and I'll message you, sir. Then you'll send the group link and I'll share it.
1 second. I won't be able to access WhatsApp while I'm taking a class. That's a problem.
Sir, I'll make a
Why
new group and add your number and send the invite to all the other groups, and so people can join Vaise.
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay, sir.
Now. Let's start with straight lines. So you have done in straight lines in school, 9th, 10th, maybe even in the. I don't know,
Sir, you are speaking about the book, sir.
No, I just said that's up to you. You can make another book. That's fine.
So you will be taking the entire track for till the end of 11th for us?
Yeah, coordinate geometry.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, you have done a little bit of straight lines in school, right?
Yes.
Section formula, distance formula.
Yes, sir. Midpoint.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody who's not done, anybody from IG board maybe? Is there anybody from IG board?
I see.
Yes, sir.
IG board. Yeah. Okay. So you probably have not done section formula, right?
But I guess I know it.
Sir, it was omitted.
Okay. Let's quickly talk about distance formula. So distance formula क्या होता है? You all know it. I'm just going to revise it for you. Suppose you have 2 points, x1, y1 and x2, y2. This is B. And there is a line segment joining these two. Now this distance D. Okay, now this distance is also written as magnitude of AB. You've done in vectors, magnitude means distance, means length, right? Okay. And this is x1 minus x2 whole square and y1 minus y2 whole square. You know this formula, right? Okay. So this is your distance formula for those of you, if anybody does not know. If I have A 1, 1 and if I have B, say 3, 2, the distance is going to be, how much is it? What is the difference in the x coordinates? It's
Sir,
2,
2
right?
square plus 1
minus
square
Square plus
is
1.
equal to under root 5.
I.
Under root 5. Now, mod AB is root 5. The magnitude is root 5.
Sir, 1 second,
Now,
scroll up now.
Wait. I'm going to ask you to copy once I'm done with this. Now, there's something which you haven't done. I'll be sharing the notes, but you are going to copy it right now.
Sir, I guess it is x2 minus x1. You have written x1 minus x2.
Both are right. Both are right.
Are you sure? Are you sure this is wrong?
Yes, sir, it is wrong. X2 minus X1 and Y2 minus Y1.
It means the
Sir,
same.
Yeah,
Square
both are
करेंगे
same.
तो
No,
उसके
sir.
बाद
Even if
positive
it's
होगा.
two, it will be
Then also we'll
squared
get
out.
the difference, right?
But if
Okay.
you square it, then
Can
the
you
same.
scroll up?
Negative will come positive only. It's same only.
Okay.
सर थोड़ा
देखो,
ऊपर स्क्रॉल करो ना.
अरे एक मिनट मेरे को फिनिश तो करने दो explanation. I'm explaining something here now. So this is distance AB. Now I want to talk about something which you probably have never done. Something called signed distance. Signed distance is basically distance without the mod. So it's let's say if you are climbing a hill, okay, you're starting from here, okay, and let's say this is the peak. So you are basically going up, right? Now, if you are going up, okay, then if you take this sort of straight line where you're going up, okay, to be this dimension, then AB is taken as positive root 5. But if you go backwards, then I'm going to take the distance to be negative. So I'm going to take BA to be minus root 5. Okay. So basically, this is a sort of convention we use wherein along one side, we take the distance to be positive, but along the opposite side, we take the distance to be negative. Okay, this is actually called the concept of signed distance. Okay, now let me tell you, key up the line, like that means as if you're going towards a peak or something, up the line is generally considered positive, and down the line is considered negative. Okay, now that means if I am going upwards from A to B, and let's say the distance is 3, so I will write mod AB is 3. And if I remove the mod, AB means I'm going from A to B. A to B is positive 3 because we are going up the line. But if I write BA, that's going to be minus 3 because it's going downwards. Okay. But the moment I put it in a mod sign, it will again be just 3. You understand? So it's going to be 3 only. Are you following this?
No, sir.
What is the doubt here?
Sir, is it that up the line is always positive?
Yeah, up the line is always positive.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, but you need to not write the mod sign. That's why sometimes when you जैसे geometry की आदत है ना AB लिखते हैं तो मतलब that's like we assume it is distance. Actually, it's very important that you write the mod sign. Okay, you can either write so if you want to write only the distance and not like plus minus wala this stupid thing, you can either write mod AB or you are familiar with length of AB. ऐसा कभी देखा होगा?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
If you want to write just distance, it is you write this. But the moment you remove the mod and you just write AB, then the question comes whether it's positive or negative. So you need to be very careful. So AB means you're going from A to B, then you need to see whether you're going upwards or downwards. I बात समझ में? Between 2 points, starting and destination, A and B. समझ रहे हो?
So then A and B will be in bold letters, right?
A and B will be
In bold letters.
in what?
Sir, bold letters,
What is bold letters?
Sir, capital.
capital and bit dark.
I don't have, not necessarily, but I mean, as long as they represent the point, it's okay.
Sir, because
Whatever you are, yeah, it is just.
we use this command.
Wait, I am trying to differentiate between sign distance and distance with the mod. So whatever you do here, except that there is a mod sign here, and here there is no mod sign, and then we are assigning it a direction as plus or minus. So whether you put capital on or not is not the question here. समझ रहे हो? मैं क्या
Sir,
कह
could
रहा
you
हूँ?
go up?
ठीक है, ये समझ में आया कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. टॉपिक का तो ठीक है, स्ट्रेट लाइन टॉपिक लिख दो and just write this down.
So, sir, basically the concept here in that sign distance is just that up this line is always positive and down is negative, right?
Correct.
Thank you.
It will be used in many situations. I will tell you.
The arrow will be given.
What?
So the arrow that it is up or down.
You don't need the arrow. When you are writing AB, it's you're going from A to B. When you're writing BA, that means you're going from B to A.
So we have to decide it is positive or negative.
So no, arrow की जरूरत नहीं है. That's what I'm trying to tell you. This means you are actually going from A to B.
Okay, sir.
So there's no need for arrow. I've just shown it to explain it to you. हो गया?
Yes, sir. No, sir, one second.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, in the sign distance, what if the line is horizontal?
What if the line is?
Horizontal.
Okay. I was hoping somebody would ask that question.
By में
If it's
difference will be
horizontal,
zero.
then नहीं. एक मिनट, ये हो गया? I'll explain. One second. You done with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the line is horizontal, this is obviously this rule is not applicable, But then you do it just like you do in the case of x-axis or in a normal number line. What do you do in a number line? Tell me. Have you seen a number line?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So,
0 to positive and 0 to negative.
So if you see a regular number line, 0 is here. This is positive numbers are here. And let's say negative numbers are here. It's kind of like that. Rightwards positive loge or leftward negative loge. Okay. Are you understanding this?
Yes.
So for a horizontal line, it is just like your regular number line. For a slant line, which is going up or down, you do the above thing, which is up the line positive. Okay.
So as we use up and down rule for the slant line, we'll use left and right rule, no? For straight line, I mean horizontal line.
Yeah, for horizontally we are using left negative, right positive. For any other line, we are using up is positive, down is negative.
So, sir, if I label 0 as A and 5 as B, so AB will be +5 and BA will be -5, right?
Yeah. Done?
Yes.
So can you just scroll on the top 1 second?
You can copy whatever you want. If you have any 1 or 2 lines left, then I will. Then you can take it from the PDF. I'll be going quick. I hope you copy it quickly.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
But it's important that you copy at least something. Now, distance formula pretty much is itna hi hai. Okay. We're going to move to section formula. Many of you have done section formula. Many you have probably not done section formula. I'm going to give you questions of distance formula also after this. Okay. Let's talk a bit about section formula. What is exactly section formula? You have
M1x2 plus M2x1 upon M1 plus M2.
Yeah, you have 3 points A, B, and a via point A, B, and P. So there is a line segment AB and P lies on it. Okay, and A and B के coordinates हमें पता है, ठीक है? But P हमें नहीं पता है. These 3 points are collinear, but we know the ratio in which the point P divides this. So m is to n में divide करता है. So then section formula gives us the coordinates of this point P. Okay, so AP upon PB is m is to n. Right? But this length upon this length is m is to n. Okay, now this is specifically called internal division. Internal section formula. There is also something called external section formula, which is, I'll just leave a gap here. There's something called external division also. There are actually 2 formulas. Now, many of you have done internal but not external. But let me explain what is external also. You have a line segment AB, and you are given these 2 points, x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, your point P which is lying on the line but not on the line segmented between AB. Your point P could be like either on the extended part of on the right side or on the extended part over here. So it lies here or here, depending on the point, right? So point P could lie here also, doesn't matter. Okay. Now, this is the unknown point. And now something like this will be given to you in the question. P divides AB externally in the ratio m:n. So now section formula will provide you the coordinates of P in both these cases. Now you understand the difference in the two cases. Okay. अब यहाँ पे एक confusion ये होता है सबसे पहले, before I even give you the formula, what does it mean by P divides AB in m:n? What is m:n here in this diagram?
The ratio.
The ratio
Ratio of what?
of the lines getting divided.
What line? No, can you tell me the distances?
P ratio B.
Sir, AP and BP.
M is to.
P and PB.
AP ratio PB.
Okay. सबसे पहले गलती है लोग ऐसे करते हैं, ये भी m:n होगा, m:n ये नहीं है. Okay. m:n क्या है मैं बताने जा रहा हूँ. It is AP is to PB. You notice what I've written here, and you notice what I've written here. It's the same, no? Okay. यहाँ पे it makes sense. AP upon PB क्या है? ये M है first part, first half of the journey is M. Second half of the journey is N. First half, second half. Now here it's slightly different story. Here it is actually AP. This whole thing is M, and then PB is N. समझ रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's what it is. Now, I want you to remember this. Whenever you look at any data, whenever you look at this particular statement, let's say you're reading this statement. Okay. Sometimes there's a confusion ki M kya hai, N kya hai. Okay. Always think like this. Okay. All of you from Mumbai?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Pune के भी है शायद sir.
Yes, sir.
Mumbai जिला.
New Bombay, sir.
Okay. Give me a place that starts with A and B.
Sir, Andheri.
Ahmedabad.
Bandra.
Okay, chalo theek hai. So okay. Let's now suno. This A, so P divides AB. So the order is very important. This A is your starting point. So let's say you are starting at A for Andheri. So Andheri se tum shuru kar rahe ho. ठीक है? This is your start. You are traveling to Bandra. ठीक है? So this is your end. This is your final destination. Okay. P is where you stop in between. Matlab, journey is very long from Andheri to Bandra. So what you're doing is you are stopping in the middle to have some food. Let's say P is for Pune.
So Pani.
What? No. Let's say this is the start, this is the end, this is where you are stopping in between. So you are going from A to B via P. समझ रहे हो? Okay. Now the first half of your journey is always going to be M. That means from A, you'll go to the via point, no? This is the place that has all the food and all that. This is the first, this is your N. And then when you return to the destination, that is the other end of the line segment, that is your second half of the journey, and that is your N. Are you understanding?
Yes.
So
It
here
makes
on
perfect
purpose we have taken Pune, right, which is like farther away.
kind of. Okay. Now, if I were to give you the same example here, A to B via P, okay, I would not use Andheri, Bandra, and Pune because Pune is like outside. I would use, so I'm going from Andheri to Bandra and I'm going via Vile Parle, P for Parle. Okay. So that comes in between, no? So now I will go from A to the via point first. So this is the first half of the journey and that is going to be M. And then from P, you are going to the other end. Okay. So this is your
Hello,
second
sir,
half.
your voice is breaking.
Is it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. It's
It's
clear.
network problem.
Sir, you are
So
not
that means,
audible.
is it?
Bro,
No, sir, we can hear you. I think, sir, Tamara has a network problem.
sir, your voice is clear.
So if I'm going from P to B, that is my second half. Second half of the journey is N. First half of the journey is M. But you are starting off at A, ending at B, but going through P. Okay. Now this is very important. So before I give you a question and before I even give you the formula, okay, I want to give you like a test example. I'll allow you to copy everything, but just pay attention. So let's say, for example, let's say this is A, let's say this is B, and let's say this is P, let's say this is 10 and 5 length. Okay. So P divides AB externally in M is to N. So what is M is to N? That's the question. Okay.
So 15 is to
15 is
Why
to
not
5.
3:1.
So what you need to do is, if it is dividing AB, this is the first number, the first letter is the start, right? This is the start. Okay. You go to the via point, 15. Ye apna M hai, right? And then you go to B, which is your second half of your journey. This is 5. So this is your N. So M is to N is how much?
3:1.
3:1.
3:1. Clear hai? How to get the ratios? Yeah.
Sir, not understood.
What is the doubt?
Sir, the questions are P divides AB.
It is dividing AB, no, externally.
Yes, sir. So how we got that? 3:1.
Go from Andheri to Bandra via Pune. Start from Andheri, go to Pune. Then you do return. First journey is M, second journey is N. That's what I told you.
Sir, it can be like this also. AP and AB ratio.
Why are you doing that? But you will get the wrong answer. See, if you apply the formula, तो अपने हिसाब से कुछ भी ratio नहीं लेना है. जो see, there is a formula for this, and the formula follows this convention. देखो, तुम अपने हिसाब से करना चाहते हो तो you can do it. You are free to do it anyways. Ultimately, you are going to apply whatever formula. It's your JP. मैंने जैसे बोला है वैसे करना है. फॉर्मूला उसके हिसाब से ही है.
सर एक बार आप सेक्शनल फॉर्मूला का सर स्लाइड बताओ ना.
फॉर्मूला मैं बताऊंगा, एक मिनट रुको. ये समझ में आया तुमको भी मैंने क्या बोला है?
This is the example of the second type you gave, right?
Yeah, but this is how to find the ratio.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes.
लोगों को रेशियो निकालना ही नहीं आता कि रेशियो कैसे निकालना है. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, इंपॉर्टेंट है ये. This is very important. Okay. Now that we know how to find the ratio, now comes the formula. Now, what is section formula? I will tell you. For internal, first of all, the point P, which we'll assume it to be XY. Now, this formula for internal, if it's inside, then this is M and this is N. This is the first half, this is the second half of the journey. Journey is first to P, then to the other end. This is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n.
तो INT क्या है?
my2 plus
Internal.
my1 m plus n. इंटरनल डिवीजन का फॉर्मूला ये किया है ना स्कूल में मोस्ट ऑफ यू.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर.
Now,
Yes sir.
now I already imagine this formula कि ये m इससे मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है x2 से और ये n जो है ये इससे मल्टीप्लाई ऐसे क्रिस क्रॉस ऐसे
अरे
मल्टीप्लाई.
मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला ना.
Section formula. Midpoint is different.
एक मिनट, आई एम कमिंग टू मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला. ये समझ में आया? ओके. ना ये स्कूल में तुमको तुम्हारे लिए डिराइव नहीं करते हैं, एक्चुअली इतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है डेरिवेशन. आई जस्ट टेल यू कि ये फॉर्मूला आता कैसे है. सो ये फॉर्मूला एक्चुअली सिमिलैरिटी से आता है. एक्चुअली करते क्या है, लाइक इफ यू सी दिस लाइन सेगमेंट इज देयर.
इम्पोर्टेंट है.
नहीं, इसलिए मैं ऊपर ऊपर से बता रहा हूँ. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू फुल डेरिवेशन, मैं पार्शियली बता रहा हूँ ताकि समझ में भी आ जाए और काम. ठीक है, मतलब मैं इतने हाफ अ पेज में निपटा रहा हूँ. m is to n ये डिवाइड कर रहा है बराबर. दिस इज x1 y1, this is x2 y2, correct? Now what they do is they actually draw this vertical lines and horizontal lines, and they will draw another line like this, correct? Okay. Now can you see two similar triangles?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
तो ये अगर m is to n है तो ये भी m is to n होगा length,
Yes sir.
right?
Yes sir.
And if this because of similarity same ratio होगा, and because it's same ratio, now देखो ये vertical lengths ये हम निकाल सकते हैं because ये जो a का height है ये y1 नहीं है और b का height y2 नहीं है. y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होता है? हाइट होता है ना. और ये p का हाइट क्या है? so ये बेसिकली y1 है, ये बेसिकली y नहीं है, मतलब अननोन पॉइंट x, y. So basically we can relate these two and use section formula, use similarity and say the ratio of these is also m is to n. समझ रहे हो? Now मैं complete proof नहीं बता रहा हूँ, diagram तुम्हारे सामने है. It's just that this is how it's done. But formula at the end of the day ये आता है. How to apply the formula is more important. Okay. Just to give you an example, I'm going to ask you to copy. Before I do that, just one एक चिंदी एग्जांपल मैं देता हूँ जिन्होंने स्कूल में नहीं किया है, उनके लिए. Just try to understand. Okay. So let's say for example, this is A, this is B, this is 1,9, and let's say this is 8,8. Let's say. Okay. And let's say this is point P over here, and let's say the distance AP is basically √2. So I want to find the coordinates of P. Now, how do I do that?
Distance formula.
This is given as √2. Okay. Now, can you find the total distance AB?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How much is AB? Tell me.
Sir, √2. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
8 minus 1, 7 square plus 1 square, no?
Yes, sir. √50.
50 है, √50 है, which is 5√2. Okay. So this whole thing is 5√2, which means can I say that this part is 4√2?
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now P divides internally in what ratio? Isn't it 1:4?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So when you use 1:4 and I use the formula, so 1:4 कैसे करना है? इसको इधर ऐसे crisscross ऐसे multiply करना है. So what you do is P के जो coordinates है, it will be 1 into the coordinates over here, 4 into the coordinates over here. So 1 into 8, 4 into 1 upon the sum of the ratios, 1 upon plus 4. 1 into 8 and 4 into 9, which is 36, upon 1 plus 4. आई बात समझ में?
हाँ सर.
This is going to be what, 12 by 5 comma, oops,
8,3.
12 by 5 comma, this is 44 by 5. Yes or no? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes.
So did you understand how to apply internal division?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We are going to do one step at a time. एक साथ हम नहीं करेंगे. अभी क्या है सेक्शन फॉर्मूला. पहले तो मैंने बताया m/n कैसे निकालना है. फिर इसका फॉर्मूला खाली इंटरनल का दिया, एक्सटर्नल का अभी तक दिया नहीं. पहले कॉपी कर लो. Just do this.
Sir, introduction, sir, how about you?
Me.
Sir,
I'll give बताता हूँ.
okay.
Sir, I didn't understand this proof.
I did not even prove it. I just gave you ऊपर से बताया.
So वो diagram,
Similarities.
I didn't get it as in how, like if that ratio of the line in which P was dividing it was m/n, then how did that other part also become m/n?
By similarity, no?
Okay.
Sir, basic
Similar, no, similar triangles नहीं है ये. Similar triangle नहीं?
है.
हो गया ना m/n.
applied B.
ये m/n हो गया. अब सपोज ये y कोऑर्डिनेट है, a का हाइट है, ये b का हाइट है, और ये p का हाइट है, मतलब y कोऑर्डिनेट है. सो नाउ यू नो दिस इज m/n. तो अपन रेशियो निकाल सकते हैं ना यूजिंग दीज मेजरमेंट्स दैट वी हैव. समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ?
Yes, understood. Thank you.
We don't have any derivation.
डेरिवेशन मैंने पूरा नहीं किया है, एक ही डायग्राम किया है. लिख लो. I have not done the complete proof. It's not required, but if you want to, like,
सर आप वो क्रिस क्रॉस एक बार बता सकते हो क्या?
क्या चीज?
सर ये जो क्रिस क्रॉस था ना, ये सेक्शन फॉर्मूला के लिए.
फॉर्मूला तुमको स्कूल में किया है तुमने?
हाँ सर.
तो mx2 क्या होता है? ये m लेफ्ट वाला रेशियो राइट वाले कोऑर्डिनेट से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है ना, वही मैं बता रहा हूँ.
अच्छा मुझे लगा कुछ.
नहीं कुछ नहीं. यार डायग्राम कॉपी कर लो.
सर होगा.
ये पार्ट हो गया सबका? ओके, आई एम स्क्रॉलिंग डाउन. This is just how to find m/2. Okay, there's a gap here, so don't copy this yet. What I want you to do is first copy this internal division part. External का एक साथ बाद में हम copy करेंगे, ठीक है? I did not draw the exact diagram, so don't think just because I've drawn the line like this, it should be like that. Yeah, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Join 25 minutes late. We'll have to see the recording then. Yes. Okay.
Well, sir.
Done.
हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Now, coming to external division, I haven't asked you to copy this yet. I haven't even given you the formula for external division. Now, the derivation of external division is by similarity only. So that's not important. Now, the formula has one key difference. If point P is x comma y here, then the coordinate of point P is given by mx2 minus nx1 upon m minus n, my2 minus ny1 upon m minus n. Okay. So there is a minus sign instead of a plus sign. Now the idea is the same. So if it is m is to n, correct? You are still doing like the left wala ratio into right wala coordinate and the right wala ratio into the left wala coordinate. समझ रहे हो? Same चीज कर रहे हो, लेकिन only exception is that there is a minus sign over here. ठीक है? And I already told you how to find the ratios. ठीक है? Now external division
साइन आएगा ना?
क्या?
P के बाद इक्वल टू साइन आएगा ना, या मल्टीप्लिकेशन में P?
Equal to. Sir, he is thinking that we have to multiply P.
Coordinates of P.
अरे how do you write ये तो coordinate है ना, a x y क्या होता है, ये तो a into bracket x1.
समझा सर, समझा.
ठीक है. अच्छा, now this is the formula. Okay, let me show you the example. So again, let's say,
copy it after the example.
Sorry,
Did we copy it after the example?
Copy after the example. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let's look at the same question. 1, 9, 8, 8. Now let's say mod AP was, the distance was still √2, but point P was to the left. Will you call this external division? Yes.
Yes.
Isn't this external division? External division, no? बाहर है ना? Okay. Now we figured out earlier on that this particular length was 5√2, correct? From distance formula. Okay. And we are given in the question, this is given that how much is this? This is √2, correct? Okay. Now, if I am saying that P divides AB, okay, tell me what are the ratio? In what ratio? Externally, in what ratio? Can you tell me what the ratio is?
1:6. 1/3.
1:6.
1:6.
1:6.
1:6.
That's right. How? Okay, it's not 1:5. So it's 1:6 because, okay, where are you starting?
A.
From A.
From B.
AB divides AB. So A is the starting point. First letter is the starting point. You start from here. You go to the via point first. What's the length? This is your M. Understood? Then you go to your destination. So you get back to B. What is this length now? This is 6√2, no? This is your N.
1:6.
So what is M is to N?
1:6.
आई बात समझ में? Can you wait? First, copy this now and complete this question when I ask you to. So write down the theory part. Okay, write this diagram.
Done, sir.
Is everybody done?
No, sir.
No, sir.
See, if the first half of the journey is longer, see in this diagram, P is to the right now. इधर है, B की तरफ है. The first half of the journey is much longer than the second half of the journey, right?
इसमें ये बोल सकते हैं क्या? It will always be greater than.
Yeah. So ये हो गया ना कॉपी करके?
Yes, sir.
Sir, almost, sir.
जल्दी करो. I'll just zoom out. Okay, in this question I gave you, the point is, even though it's external, the point is to the left, right? Okay. And you notice one thing here, the first half of the journey is actually shorter and the second half of the journey is quite long, right?
Yes, sir.
Just an interesting observation. It's not like giving some very high-fi point or something. It's just that the values of M and N can decide कि point P किसके करीब है. समझ रहे हो?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, can you find out the coordinates in this? Can you just tell me what the answer is? So it is actually, now you figured out it is 1:6. So can you use the formula now and tell me the answer?
I've sent you the answer.
What is the answer? What do you get?
Minus 4/3 and 28/3.
Let me check.
No, so it's wrong, sir. I got some mistake.
Sir, I think it's minus 2/5 upon minus 2/5 comma 46/5.
Okay, I'll see.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, I got my mistake.
Okay, so I don't have space here basically. So I'm going to continue it later on. Have you copied this part, entire thing? सब लोगों ने copy किया है ना? Okay, so I'll just show you what the answer is.
सर वो कॉपी नहीं हुआ था.
मैं डायग्राम फिर से बना रहा हूँ ना. So it is basically 1:6, right? Externally. So P will be, so basically you 1 multiply with these coordinates, 6 you multiply with these coordinates, right? 1 into 8 minus 6 into 1 upon 1 minus 6, comma 1 into 8 and 6 into 6 nines are 54, no? How much is this?
2/5.
2 by 5, 2 by minus 5, comma. Isn't this 46/5?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is the answer. Is this clear?
So your M is like 1 and N is 6, right?
Huh.
So then, so shouldn't M be like the shorter distance, like from A to P?
So this is M, no?
Yeah, and N is the whole thing.
N is this.
Okay, yeah.
When you return to the other end. I just figured out, no, the distances are what? 6 root 2 and root 2, no?
Yes, I got it.
Let me know if you're done.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to give you a question to try on your own. Question goes like this. I'm not writing the entire statement. So question is like this. This will look like a physics question. So there is a rod. Okay, there's a rod AB. Now A is given by minus 2 comma 1. B is given by 3 comma 3. Let's see. Now I am heating the rod at the center and the rod expands. So the rod expands to 1.5 times the original length. What does that mean?
The length
Total length plus 1.5.
So
What?
length plus
Length plus 1.5.
1.25 left side and 0.25 left side has grown, 0.25 right
Okay,
side
wait.
has
Okay,
grown.
okay. Ek minute. Is it that 0.25 you're saying? Okay, let me just. Is the new length increased by 1.5 times, or is the new length equal to 1.5?
Increased by.
So 1.5x.
Sir, 1.5 into root 5.
Okay, so what is the, according to you, what is the new length?
Sir, 1.5 into
1
root
plus
5.
half.
1.5.
1.5. Okay. Some people say
Yeah,
increased
one-
by 1.5. So that's a mistake. Okay. So now the rod has been expanded. So obviously now we are having new coordinates. And the rod is obviously expanding symmetrically on either side. It's not like either zyada or either kam ho raha hai. Okay. So you get the question? Question is clear? Question clear hai?
सर आप वो लेंथ वाला रिपीट करोगे क्या कंफ्यूजन था
Okay. I would suggest कि तुम खुद से दिमाग लगाओ. Okay. Question is very crystal clear. Let's see how you interpret it. So question is find A dash and B dash. चलो try करो.
Sir, both means दोनों जगह से सर हुआ क्या 1.5 increase?
तुम सोचो क्या होगा.
सर आपको क्वेश्चन का स्टेटमेंट एक बार रिपीट कर सकते हो क्या?
क्या नहीं पता है क्वेश्चन में. सब कुछ तो दिया है ना. रॉड हीट कर रहे हो एक्सपैंड कर रहा है. यहाँ पे लिखा है स्टेटमेंट रॉड एक्सपैंड्स टू 1.5 into ओरिजिनल लेंथ. फाइंड A dash B dash खत्म. मुझे भाषण क्या लिखने का मतलब कि a rod is heated is placed on blah 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 वो सब तो बेकार फजूल की बात है, right?
So the last part is rod expands to 1.5 of the original length.
हाँ.
Okay.
So please try this. Let me see how many get it. Okay. Anybody got the answer? I'm getting some people posting the answers.
Sir, doing.
Sir, I sent.
कि स्क्वायर रूट तो नहीं आने वाला है, कुछ चांस ही नहीं है. तुम्हारा क्वाड्रेटिक कैसे आया है? ऐसा लग रहा है तुमने कोई क्वाड्रेटिक सॉल्व किया है. अच्छा ये देखो, the rod, एक मिनट, read the question very carefully. The rod expands to 1.5 times the original length. It is not the question. The rod expands by 1.5 times the original. अगर यहाँ पे word by use होता और to use होता, बहुत जमीन आसमान का फर्क है. It means the final length is 1.5. मतलब समझ रहे हो, अगर ओरिजिनल लेंथ सपोज L है और फाइनल लेंथ अगर 1.5 है, so obviously this is going to be 0.25 L and 0.25 L. समझ रहे हो? Agree? In this case, let's say you are finding A dash. So A dash is the unknown point. Now I'm just redrawing the diagram. Okay. Now tell me, A dash divides AB in m is to n. What is m is to n? And externally, of course. So I will have to, so I have to start from A and end at B, right? So this is my first half of the journey. This is my m. And this is my second half of the journey, which is n. Agree? What is m? What is n here? Is it not 0.25 L?
0.75 over here.
And this is 1.2, will be 0.75.
Sir, नहीं आ रहा
I
इसमें.
is to 1, right?
Yeah, so m is to n will be this thing, no?
Sorry, 1 is to 5.
Yeah,
Sir,
1
I'm
is to,
not able to understand.
what you're not understanding?
Sir, A dash से A का distance कैसे निकाला?
Sir, नहीं आ रहा.
Sir, how did you get that
Why,
0.2?
Not able to understand.
why you paying attention when I explain this here? ये L है, rod का length L है, original.
Yes, sir.
It has increased to 1.5 times.
पर सर वो L तो रूट आंसर रूट में है ना, √5 है.
What?
सर L की वैल्यू.
I don't care what L key value is. I'm just assuming L. I'm not interested in the actual length. For final length 1.5 times L है कि नहीं है?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, मुझे I'm not using distance formula at all. Tell me, is this right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1.5 है तो ये जो 0.5 L है equally distribute नहीं है इधर और इधर. समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर.
तो ये 0.25 नहीं है on either side. 0.25 आ गया ना?
Yes, sir.
तो अभी ये 0.2 अभी तो मैंने
सर
अभी
वो
तुमको क्या बोला?
0.25 होगा कि 0.75 होगा?
0.75 क्यों होगा?
L 1 होगा ना, 1L तो 0.5 बचता है. 0.5 के 2 हिस्से 0.25.
So वो 1.5 को divide कर रहा है 2 से.
तुमने एक मिनट, मैंने यही तो उनको अभी बोला है, वही पेइंग अटेंशन. Rod expands to 1.5 times its original length. मतलब rod expand होके finally वो 1.5 times its original length बन गया. I didn't say rod बढ़ा है by 1.5 times by original. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So now this is now you see first half of journey, second half, ये तो पता है ना तुमको. First half ये तो 0.25 हो गया और ये 1.25 हो गया L पूरा दोनों को मिला के. तो ये लेंथ आ गया 1:5. समझ में आ रहा है? अभी फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ जर्नी इज m, सेकंड हाफ ऑफ जर्नी इज n. हो गया खत्म. तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे, कोऑर्डिनेट्स तो अपने को दिए हैं -2, 1 and 3, 3.
So rather we can use A as the midpoint and A as the center and then do using internal section.
हाँ, लेकिन तुम फिर एक्सटर्नल कब सीखोगे अप्लाई करना? You'll be lazy and use internal only. ठीक है, लाइफ में कभी कुछ सीखना हो तो क्या करोगे? थोड़ा सा पेन तो लेना पड़ेगा। समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? Are you following?
हाँ सर।
कन्वेंशन MN कैसे निकाला, उसके बाद फिर तो फॉर्मूला
Sir.
लगाओ। A डैश के जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स है, हाँ एक मिनट, ये 1 इंटू लेफ्ट रेशियो इंटू राइट कोऑर्डिनेट, राइट रेशियो इंटू लेफ्ट कोऑर्डिनेट, ये कर रहा हूँ। बट एक्सटर्नल है तो उसमें माइनस साइन बीच में भी आता है। 1 इंटू 3 माइनस 5 इंटू -2 यानी -10 कौन 1 -5 कॉमा 1 इंटू 3 5 इंटू 1 मतलब 5 अपॉन 1 -5, समझ रहे हो? तो ये जो A डैश है ये कितना आ रहा है 13 बाय -4 कॉमा -2 बाय -4 यानी हाफ, ये आ रहा है सबको?
Yes sir.
How many got this answer?
Yes, sir.
If you got this answer, that means you
Yes.
understood internal as well as external.
मैंने कोई और मेथड से सॉल्व किया।
समझ में आ रहा है? ओके, ना एक काम करो, किसी को कॉपी करना ही है स्टार्टिंग से, ये तो क्वेश्चन था इसमें,
हाँ
ये
सर करना है।
इसमें ये बना दो ऊपर जो मैंने लिखा है ना ये लेंथ का। If you have any doubts you can ask.
So I wanted to ask that I was slightly confused that in this internal, like we'll apply it, so we'll take the ratio of m/n as 1:4, right?
So you will take it in such a way that the A is the via
Yeah,
point.
midpoint, yeah.
And and the points
We
A
will
dash and B
find
are
it.
like you will pretend as if you know them. Yeah.
Yeah.
सर ये डिस्टेंस फार्मूला से भी हो सकता है?
नहीं मत करो डिस्टेंस फार्मूला। डिस्टेंस फार्मूला इज अ वेरी हॉरिबल थिंग।
सर मैं कोई समझ नहीं आ रहा।
क्या हो गया?
सर मेरे को ये समझ नहीं आ रहा समझ में।
तो कौन सा स्टेप नहीं समझ में आएगी तो कैन यू बी स्पेसिफिक?
सर स्टार्टिंग से।
क्या नहीं समझा?
सर वही ये 0.25L और 0.25L कैसा है?
हमें 2 बार समझाया ना हमें क्या करना है। ये स्टार्टिंग वाला लेंथ L है, फाइनल लेंथ 1.5 है।
हाँ सर।
तो 0.25 नहीं हुआ?
सर कैसे?
हाँ
0.25 प्लस 1 मिनट, ये सारे लेंथ को ऐड करो, इनका सम कितना आएगा? इसका इसका और इसका सम कितना है बताओ?
1.5L।
पूरा सम नहीं है, 1.5 नहीं है।
हाँ सर।
और ये इक्वली हो रहा है ना, एक्सपैंड हो रहा है।
हाँ सर।
तुम ऐसे ले सकते हो लेट दिस बी x एंड x, तो फिर ये सम ऑफ ऑल लेंथ इज 1.5 ऐसे कर लो।
तो आपको n equals to 1.25L कैसे आया?
क्योंकि वो अरे इन दोनों का सम है ना ये। व्हाट इज दिस लेंथ? ये डायग्राम देखो ऊपर वाला, फ्रॉम A डैश टू B कितना है ये पता है, ये पता है।
सब सेम वे में अभी B डैश फाइंड करना है ना?
वेट आई विल कम टू दैट। ये समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you've got this question on your own, that means you understood everything.
So B coordinates are 17/4 and 7/2.
I'll come to that. I'll come to that. Let me know if you're done copying. Done?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, ये भी copy करो.
Done, sir.
So will you be giving introduction about yourself?
I will once we are.
So done, sir. Be fine.
Okay. Now, if you want to get B dash directly, you can use external division, which is fine. I'll show you an easy way. So what you can do over here is, ये देखो, हमने अभी A dash निकाला. What was A dash we found?
13 upon -4 and 1/2.
A क्या दिया था? B क्या दिया था?
So A is 2,1, -2,1, and B is 3,3.
3,3.
Yes, sir.
B is 3,3.
The length between A dash and A will be same as B dash and B.
सुनो मेरी बात, क्योंकि ये सिमेट्रिकली एक्सपैंड हो रहा है, हम ये बोल सकते हैं क्या कि let's assume this to be A comma B. Can I say this कि midpoint of AB is same as midpoint of A dash B dash?
Yes, sir.
Because इन दोनों का सेंटर पॉइंट ये होगा और AB का भी सेंटर पॉइंट वही होगा, समझ रहे हो? Whatever that is. Now, have you done midpoint formula? Midpoint formula क्या होता है? 1:1 होता है ना?
हाँ, m plus n upon 2.
यहीं पे हम midpoint formula भी कर देते हैं. So midpoint formula होता क्या है कि you have its section formula only, nothing great. But now the point is the midpoint m, so the ratio is 1:1. So m is 1 into this and 1 into this upon 1 plus 1. So it actually becomes like x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So basically is the average of the coordinates. Kind of makes sense. So here we can say that midpoint of AB, which is the center, is the same as midpoint of A dash B dash. समझ में आ रहा है? That means -2 plus 3 by 2 and 1 plus 3 by 2 is the same as a midpoint of A dash B dash. So that can be written as, is this right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. And then we can just equate the coordinates and we can get the value of small a and small b. Is it what you are getting? Let's check. I think here you'll get small a as, let me just see, 17 by 4.
Yes, okay.
What is 7 by 2? Are these the coordinates?
Yes.
Yes.
Huh? Okay. Do this, copy this bit also and copy midpoint formula also. This is just one way of doing it. There are several ways. It's not required that you do it by this way.
Sir, will you be sending the recordings and the PDF after the?
You don't want me to send the recording and the PDF?
No, we want you to send. So you will be sending.
You don't receive the PDF normally.
No, we receive PDF also.
Huh. Why are you asking? You don't want to copy?
No, I am copying only. Just
Yeah.
asking because later you want to see the recording again because you're not to show some.
Recording मिले.
Sir, please send today's PDF.
Copy this. Let me know if you're done.
So
हाँ बोलो. Done? हो गया?
Sir, external division का derivation is same as internal.
It is using the same principle of similarity. The triangles are slightly different.
So you would do it.
See, the derivation would waste 15 minutes of time, and it's not the logic is okay. We're using similarity, but it's not that important. Like no question in your booklet is based on the derivation.
So another method to find B dash would be the same as A dash, right?
Yeah. Are you done?
Just a minute.
Okay. I'm assuming everybody's done. Somebody's talking. Now, have you done centroid formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is centroid okay, what is a centroid first of all? Centroid का symbol G होता है, पता है? For reasons I don't know.
G.
Okay. What is a centroid?
Sir, it is the point where the medians
intersection of all the
sides.
medians of a triangle. I think it's also the center of mass of a triangle.
Okay, intersection point of all medians. And what is a median? Median is
The halfway point of a side
midpoint of
a
one side.
Yeah, midpoint of a triangle side.
It is the line joining the vertex to midpoint of opposite side. So let's see a figure. So when you have a line which is joining this point A to the midpoint of this side, so let's say D is a midpoint. Okay. This is a median. And then you can have another median like this. So you have two medians and the two medians intersect or meet at the centroid G. Now, centroid formula, do you know the derivation of centroid formula?
Yes.
Okay.
Using similarity only.
Not similarity. Okay, see. Okay, let's assume the coordinates of ABC to be x1, y1, etc. Now, this is the midpoint, right? D. Since it's the midpoint, can I say D will be the average of the coordinates of B and C? Will be like
Yes,
this.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Then over here, you have these three collinear points A, G, and D, right? Along the median. So I'm going to take that as my line segment now. So I'm going to like, abhi aisa hai ki mundi aise karo. So it's like, what do? You take this line segment AGD. Okay. A is x1, y1. D was the average of B and C ke coordinates that we just found out. Okay. Do you know this property that centroid divides in the ratio 2:1?
2:1.
The median.
Yes.
Means this median, like this is 2:1, this length. ये ट्रायंगल की प्रॉपर्टी होती है जिसको मतलब आई थिंक बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी से भी करते हैं, एरिया से भी करते हैं. आई डोंट नो व्हाट द एक्चुअली आई थिंक एरिया से करते हैं.
Yes, sir.
बट डू यू नो, आर यू अवेयर ऑफ दिस प्रॉपर्टी?
Yes, sir.
पता है ना? Okay.
Yes.
So using this property we'll get the centroid coordinates. So 2:1 यूज करेंगे, इंटरनल डिवीजन है, बहुत इजी है. मतलब 2 को इससे मल्टीप्लाई 1 को इससे. सो सेंट्रॉइड के कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या बनेंगे? 2 into this thing, 1 into this thing, 1 2 plus 1, and same thing with y.
सर उसका तो फॉर्मूला तो ये होता है ना, x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3.
डिराइव कर रहे हो हम लोग.
वही फॉर्मूला तो डिराइव कर रहे हैं. वो फॉर्मूला आया कैसे? इसी से आता है. ठीक है. So we get this. Same thing with y. So with y also you will actually get this pretty much. समझ में आ रहा है? This is the derivation of centroid formula. ठीक है. स्कूल में स्किप करते होंगे obviously. Okay. Now if anybody by chance has not done the 2:1 wala property, you can probably like look up YouTube. It's a 15-minute proof. It's a very long proof. I don't want to do it because it's like not relevant to our current thing. But you can actually look up YouTube and all that and see the proof. Okay? Something like Khan Academy. I don't know what.
The centroid का derivation important है क्या? Centroid formula.
Derivation is important. Yes. What do you mean by derivation is important? What do I mean by that?
Means that derivation तो कोई step as a question में use हो सकता है क्या?
So ये 2:1 जो हम यूज कर रहे हैं ये आता है क्वेश्चन में. ठीक है.
सर एक बार वो मिड पॉइंट
पुराना पार्ट कॉपी किया था
सर, ये स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेना एक बार.
ये वाला किया था बाकी लोगों ने.
हाँ सर.
जल्दी ले लो जल्दी.
हाँ सर ले लिया.
Now copy this centroid formula.
सर 2:1 का भी डेरिवेशन इम्पोर्टेंट है.
2:1 का डेरिवेशन इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, इसलिए मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ ना.
Okay, sir.
So it's like, will they ask derivations for this formula? So like,
No. Not. See, derivation is not important. What I'm saying is that the steps involved are important.
yes.
Done, sir.
हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Done? ये कर लो कॉपी.
Sir, इसमें D midpoint है.
What?
Here D is the midpoint in this figure.
D is midpoint of BC. Now I'm giving you some questions to solve. Now these questions are based on section formula, distance formula, everything. Okay?
So could you scroll up just for a second to this part, like the last part of the derivation?
ये
Yes, sir, हो गया.
So we have to do these sums now.
कब करोगे?
Is this booklet question?
ये questions करो अभी. They're not really difficult. It's just practice.
Sir, I got the second one.
Yes, sir.
You got the what?
Second.
Second one.
सर थर्ड क्वेश्चन में if mid उसका आगे क्या लिखा है
Points, mid points.
और उसका आगे G है क्या?
Off, mid points off.
ओके
ये ट्राई करो। पहले वाले का आंसर सिर्फ ए है।
एक बार ना प्लीज, क्योंकि सेकंड और थर्ड मेरे से हो गया अच्छे से।
हाँ सर, फर्स्ट वाला नहीं आया, सेकंड और थर्ड।
हाँ सर, सेकंड और थर्ड आ रहा है।
First one is not that hard.
It's not hard, but it's like a cos theta सब आ गए ना, इससे थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है।
हाँ सर।
तो cos theta है तो क्या उसमें कौन सी डरने वाली बात है? सिंपल डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला का क्वेश्चन है, जस्ट बिकॉज मैंने cos थीटा डाला तो तुमसे मतलब फिर एग्जाम में भी नहीं होगा, ये हालत है। और कुछ किया नहीं मैंने, it's not that hard question.
So can you solve it after 2 minutes?
After
2 minutes so that we can try a little more.
yeah. अच्छा सेकंड वाला कैसे किया बताओ?
सर ए और सी का मिड पॉइंट निकाला, फिर
ए और सी का मिड पॉइंट इज इक्वल टू मिड पॉइंट ऑफ बी एंड डी।
हाँ
करेक्ट।
मैंने डिस्टेंस को
डिस्टेंस से मत करो।
क्वेश्चन दिखा सकते हो क्या?
Distance formula is one of the most horrible formulas in this chapter. Even though it's simple to understand, it's the most horrible to apply. Because root भी है, square भी है, solve नहीं होता. Equation solving point of view, you must think in that those terms. अच्छा, parallelogram में क्या होता है कि diagonals bisect each other, right? So here is a very simple property. Midpoint of AC is the same as midpoint of BC. You understanding? Okay. इसकी coordinates क्या दिए मैंने? A के क्या दिए थे मैंने?
1,2 and B is 4,7.
This was
C का 3,0.
Let's call this small a small b. The midpoint formula अगर हम लगा देंगे यहाँ पे, get the answer. 4 plus a by 2, 7 plus b by 2. This should be the same as 1 plus 3 by 2 and 2 plus 0 by 2. So then we equate the coordinates on both sides. You get 4 plus a is 4, so a is 0. And 7 plus b is 2 plus 0. B is equal to -5. So your D is 0, comma -5. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Anybody needs to copy this? No?
सर एक बार आप थर्ड क्वेश्चन दिखा सकते हो?
Second हो गया, sorry, third हो गया ना? How do you do the third one? Tell me.
So centroid formula.
6
Sorry.
equations and
Centroid formula.
variables.
Okay.
First
So
we'll find the centroid and then we can calculate the formula.
okay. See, I get that you are using midpoint formula, some of you. Getting 6 equations and solving them, right? Is that what you're doing? Or maybe using centroid formula and getting from there.
Yes, sir.
You want a direct method? Directly I'll get the value in. Almost, मतलब बहुत छोटा method है. Watch. So let's say this is triangle ABC. Isn't this 1, 1? B was what? C was what? Sorry, not B.
DEF.
Unknown था, हाँ, DEF. Okay. ये इनके midpoint है, right? D, E, and F, right? Okay. So these are the midpoints. 1, 2, 1, 2, and this is another midpoint. Okay, these are the midpoints. Now, tell me, can we say that by using similarity that this is parallel to the base AB over here.
Yes, sir.
The midpoint है ना दोनों साइड के. Similarity में तो किया ही है ऐसा. Okay. Also, if I join the point D to the point F, okay, can I say this is going to be parallel to this thing?
Yes, sir.
Because this is midpoint and this is also midpoint. Yes or no?
Yes.
So can I say AEDF is a parallelogram?
Yes, sir.
And if this is a parallelogram, then I know what is the coordinates of D? 1, 1.
Comma
what is
1. 3,0.
ये क्या था?
2,0.
Can I not use the same thing I used in the previous question?
Yes.
Midpoint of this is midpoint of diagonals bisect each other, no? So midpoint of AD is same as midpoint of EF. You following?
Yes, sir.
4, comma minus 1. Is A 4, comma minus 1?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? See, directly आ गया ना? Without much solving. Okay. In coordinate geometry, getting to the answer is never the problem. It's how much time.
So if we had to do it by the centroid formula, we would first find the centroid using D, G, we would find it using DEF, and then after that we would find A and D.
You can do it by that.
Midpoint
also.
formula then.
You can do it by centroid also. That's fine.
Yes, so I was saying that in that case, then we'll do that. It divides it in the ratio 2:1 and then do it, right?
You can do it. You can do that also. AGD is 2:1.
Sir, but how will we find the centroid?
By
The
centroid formula.
centroid of ABC and the centroid of DEF are the same. You know that?
Acha, the centroid of ABC is same as the centroid of DEF.
Can you prove that?
What, sir?
Centroid of the ABC original triangle and the smaller triangle ABC, DEF, they are same.
Okay, sir.
First one हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do one thing. For the first one, you don't take the angles as A cos theta. You can just take them to be alpha, which is theta plus 2 pi by 3. Just take them to be this. So basically your points are A cos alpha, A sin alpha, A cos beta, A sin beta. Correct? And then you find the distance between the two using distance formula. A cos alpha minus A cos beta whole square. A sin alpha minus A sin beta whole square. Obviously, you can take a square common outside. So you get cos alpha minus cos beta whole square, sin alpha minus sin beta whole square, correct? And then you square the two brackets, you should get your answer. So you get cos square alpha, cos square beta. Here you get sine square alpha, sine square beta. So this is what you get as, okay, sine square plus cos square is 1 and cos square plus sine square ये भी 1 है ना, तो ये 2 हो जाता है, right? Now what is this part?
Minus.
Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B with a negative sign. So what is this? ऐसा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Cos A minus B. So now what is A minus B? One is alpha plus 120, one is alpha plus 60. Difference 60 है ना?
So it's pi upon 3.
Pi by 3.
Pi by 3.
Which is half. So answer A हो गया?
Yes, sir.
कई लोग शक्ल देख के छोड़ देते हैं, फिर वो आ गया तो बहुत।
सर,
हाँ।
मैंने जो वैल्यूज दिए थे उनसे ही किया।
What values?
मतलब ऐसे अल्फा बीटा लेके नहीं किया तो भी चलेगा ना?
किसने बोला यही करना है तुमको?
Okay, sir. So can you explain how we would prove in the previous question, in like the third one, that the like points A, B, and C का coordinates will be same as D, E, F, or basically like centroid formula can be applied for D, E, F.
Wait, what? I didn't get it.
Sir, before this, in the like third question, you were saying, right? As in, I asked you if we could apply centroid formula and do it. So then we would use D, E, and F ka coordinates. So then, sir, like actually we do x1, x2, x3, like A, B, C coordinates, right? So how will we like prove that both like we can use the coordinates of D, E, and F also?
Why don't you prove it?
What, sir?
How do you find centroid of any triangle?
X1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, and same way for y.
Basically, average of the coordinates.
Yeah.
So tell me, what is the average of the coordinates of triangle DEF?
So as in I should calculate it and tell you?
Yeah, calculate it and tell me.
Yes, sir, one sec.
Sir, 2, 1 by 3.
No, not the values. I'm not telling you to find the, I'm not telling you to use the given data in the question. I'm telling you, take D to be x2 plus x3 by 2. Like general coordinates. समझ लो?
Okay, sir, I got it now. Yeah.
Will the centroids be the same? Of both
Yeah,
the
sir,
triangles?
they'll come out to be.
Huh. Okay, I'm scrolling slightly down, giving you 1 minute to copy.
Sir, what did you do in this step? D equal to A square cos square alpha plus cos square beta.
What?
In this step, the first one, D equal to root A square cos square alpha plus cos square beta minus 2 cos alpha cos beta.
The one before that or the one after that?
After that.
Cos square plus sin square is 1, no?
Yeah.
Then cos A plus cos alpha minus beta का formula नहीं बन रहा है?
I got
Okay. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, do you have a test coming on Sunday any day? This Sunday?
Yes, sir.
This Sunday.
Yes, sir.
What topic?
Inequation. sir.
Inequation.
Now I need an extra class because tomorrow's class I won't be taking. I'm not there actually at 12 around there. Okay.
Sir, in the evening, could you take, sir?
What?
The Sunday evening.
Yes, sir.
The evening is fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That is fine, sir. Otherwise, all the days there is class, sir.
Yeah.
For which
Okay.
which day are you
Yes.
talking about?
Tomorrow.
Sunday evening.
Tomorrow.
So you can also take on Saturday in the evening.
I think Saturday
Have
there
a
will
doubt
be
lecture.
college.
Oh, sir, Thursday.
Saturday.
Thursday is okay.
Okay, tomorrow, even if you get a link, you ignore it. Like तुमको link मिल जाता है ना सुबह सुबह. अगर तुमको by chance link भी मिल जाता है ना, वो actually formality के तौर पर तुमको मिलेगा, लेकिन वो actually class नहीं होगी कल. Saturday, what time you are free?
So
Sunday को टेस्ट है.
Sunday को टेस्ट है.
संडे को टेस्ट है.
So Sunday को अगर test है तो Saturday को तुम पढ़ाई करोगे.
Sunday को test है.
Yes, sir.
Sunday को what time you have the test?
9 to
9
12.
to 12.
Morning
9 to
9.
12, sir.
Okay, Sunday evening then.
9 to 12.
Sir, 4 to 5 in the evening you can take no,
4
sir.
to 5.
चलेगा.
Or any other time in which you are free, sir.
Sir, please send a PDF now.
Yeah, I'll send it.
So PDF and recording you can send in the
Can they
group that was made.
Yeah, you have added me to the group. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
मुझे क्लास लेने वाला है.
So you said 4 to whatever, right? 4 o'clock, right?
So 4 to 6.
Photo.
Okay. In case, okay, what I might do is, like, let's say somebody's going outside on Saturday evening or something. I might take it till 5:30 and then extend another half an hour of another class or something. Or I might take it till 6, depends. Okay? We'll see. Depending on how you're holding up after the test. That's it. It's on Sunday. And
Bye.
tomorrow, no. Yeah? Chalo.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
So I haven't told you who I am, but I will. Okay, I'll tell you next time.
So by when will you send the PDF and the recording?
Recording is available 1 hour to 1.5 hours. के बाद
Okay, sir.
PDF अभी मिल जाएगा.